It's no secret that South Africans love Bakkies, evident by my playlist. Today I want to check out the best-selling Bakkies in South Africa. This list may surprise you a bit, but my question is, does best-selling equate to the best Bakkie in South Africa? Welcome to another video. I'm sorry if you're a VW fan, but what you're looking for, you won't find it in this video. Before we go down the list, I want to mention that 15 Bakkies were mentioned on the list, but I'll only look at the top 6, because who cares about number 15 anyway. I will definitely leave a link to the list below so that you can check out all of the other positions. While you are down there, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon so that you know when next time I drop a video. Also comment on the expectations you had and the surprises you got. So starting off at number 6 is the one car you still see till this day on the road. The Nissan has created the hard body and the Navara. I promise you, wherever you go, you still see that car around, still doing the work, still being reliant. But of course, that's what you expect from a brand that is considered to be reliable in the entire world. So Nissan sold about 4,600 units of their Navara. Side note, I do have a review for this car coming very soon, so make sure you are subscribed so that you are alerted when I drop that video. Coming 5th is the Mahindra pickup. This car sold about 8,000 units, 4,000 units more than the Nissan Navara. This isn't a surprise, as I have been seeing more and more Mahindras on the road. Even car journalists are more and more reviewing these cars. This and the GWM P series have been moving up the ladder lately. I wonder if you guys would like to see any Mahindra Bakkie review. If you would, let me know with the comment below. At number 4 we have yet again a Nissan, this time the NP200. It sold about 12,800 units. That's around 8,000 more units than its bigger brother, the Navara. And yet again, you've seen this on the road countless and multiple times, and people are still buying it because Nissan is reliable across the world. Also because no other car brand is offering a smaller Bakkie. NP200 is actually the only option that you have. I did hear rumblings about Toyota wanting to make this similar Bakkie, but that's still ongoing. Coming in 3rd is the Isuzu DMAX. Probably my favorite out of the entire list. You can watch the recent video that I did on the Isuzu V-Cross and you'll see what I mean. And they sold a little under 19,000 units. Now at number 2 we have the people's favorite, and that is the Ford Ranger, selling about 24,000 units. This car has become both popular and loved in South Africa, and rightfully so. And at number 1, obviously, we have the Toyota Hilux, selling at about 38,000 units. This isn't really a revelation, this is expected in South Africa. And Toyota does make some of the best durable Bakkies around. And that is why they are one of the most trusted brands in South Africa and in all of the world. Whether you go to an old person or a young person, the only car that they will tell you is durable and reliable is the Toyota. But then it begs the question again, does best selling actually mean best Bakkie overall? Well, that's what I'm trying to find out in my best Bakkie series. I will continue the series until we have found actually which Bakkie is the best in South Africa. But that was it. Tell me what you think about the list. Is there anything you would change? Is there anything you don't agree with? And which one would you pick in the entire list? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. It's the only way we are going to grow. And thank you for the support. Peace.